Power BI users, Microsoft's June 2026 updates are here. Keeping up with reporting, analytics, and data management can be challenging when you're juggling multiple tools, growing datasets, and increasing business demands. That's why Microsoft continues to introduce new features designed to help you work smarter, collaborate better, and get more value from your data. Here are some of the June 2026 Power BI updates you shouldn't miss. Power BI Data Viz World Championship returns. Showcase your creativity, learn from the community, and compete for a chance to present your visualization live at FabCon/SQLCon Barcelona this September. Fabric apps for semantic models. Preview. Build enterprise-grade data applications faster with AI. Developers and coding agents can now create custom apps directly from semantic models using just a few prompts while maintaining governance and business logic. Shape Map, generally available. Enjoy greater flexibility with built-in maps, custom topo.json and geo.json files, downloadable map files for easier editing, and a more intuitive formatting experience. DAX Query View filtering and sorting, generally available. Explore and validate query results faster with interactive sorting, filtering, and search capabilities, without having to modify your DAX queries. Power BI tabs in private and shared Teams channels. Bring reports closer to your conversations by embedding Power BI directly into private and shared Microsoft Teams channels for better collaboration and decision-making. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.